In this video, I will show you how to create and send invoices in PayPal. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is come across to PayPal and log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you look at the top right hand corner, you're going to see a link here to create an invoice. If you don't see this here, however, what you can do is come up to the address bar at the top and after paypal.com, just get rid of the my account bit and replace this with invoice and then hit enter. Now what that's going to do is take you across to your invoicing screen and you're going to see a button here to create a new invoice. So just down here, this link, create new invoice. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, we can start to create our invoice. So the first thing you want to do is put the customer's email address into here. So for example, if I use one of my other email addresses, I'm just going to put that into here. And then you're going to see an option that's come up saying create new customer and it's going to have their email. Give it a click and that's going to add their email address. Then what you can do is add their name into the box here and then click on to add. So that's now been added and what we can then do is come down and start to create the rest of the invoice. So you can see we've got the item section. So from here you want to select your currency from the drop down menu. Mine's going to be Great British Pounds and then you can choose the quantity, hours or amount only. So I'm going to choose quantity and we're going to charge for a YouTube consulting service. So I'm just going to enter that into here and the price for one of these YouTube consultings I'm going to say is £250. You can add additional items if you want to. So if a person or a client is ordering multiple services or items, you can click new item and just repeat the process. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as the one item. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit more and you're going to see a note section. So this is a note you can put your customer. So in here, you can put things like the terms and conditions or additional notes that may be beneficial for your customer or client. After doing that, scroll down a bit more, you're going to see a more options section. And if we give this a click, you can see we can add some further things. So we can upload files. For example, if we wanted to add our logo, we can add terms and conditions, a reference number, memory to self, and so on and so forth. Once you've done that, come over to the right hand side and choose under payment options whether you would be happy to allow partial payment, which you can tick the box and just put the minimum partial payment due. You can also allow a tip if you want to. And then if we scroll up a little bit, you can see some further options we can add. For example, a discount, P&P, postage and packaging, or other amounts. Once that's done, you're going to see a preview button. Give that a click. And what it's going to do is give you a preview of what the invoice is going to look like. So you can see all the details and make sure everything is correct. And once you're happy with everything, come up to the top. And in the top right hand corner, you can see we've got the send button. You can also click the arrow next to send if you want to share the link to an invoice, save this as a draft or scan as a QR code. For now, I'm just going to click send. What that's going to do is bring up a window. As you can see, it says your invoice is on its way to your customer and it's going to say the email address that invoice has been sent to. On here, you can also download a copy of this invoice. You can print a copy of the invoice and you can also share a link to this invoice as well. If you want to, you can save this invoice as a template. And you can also reuse this invoice with the same items, notes and attachments if you want to send this to more customers. All you need to do now is come and click done at the bottom and it's going to take you back to the home screen and you can see this invoice has now been created and sent. You can see there is a status option here so you can see the currency as due. And if we come to the right hand side of the invoice, you can see we got 3 dots. Give this a click and you can see some further options to do with this invoice. So you can do things like send reminders, record a payment, download it as a PDF. You can even cancel the invoice or archive the invoice as well. So that's how to create and send invoices in PayPal. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.